For most of us, if we're honest with ourselves, we all look forward to payday. I mean, there's either a trip or an expense or something we look forward to taking care of when that day comes. Hi, I'm Gina Walton with the Walton Home Team of Keller Williams, and sometimes payday can be confusing on how realtors get paid for assisting you in purchasing your home. Well, in real estate, that may seem puzzling, but as working for your buyer agent, here's how that all works. After all, if you've ever bought a house, you know that your realtor commission was not paid for by you unless there was a separate agreement on the buying side that you agreed to pay that outside of the contract. So here's how it typically works. An agent receives a commission based on the percentage of the home sale price. Most often, this agent split is a 50-50 agreement that the seller and the listing agent have agreed upon before the house even listed. Now, the title company typically pays this commission out of the seller's sale proceeds at closing, and then the commission goes to the seller and the buyer's real estate brokerages, who then provide a payday check to the realtor based on the percentage agreement that brokerage has with the real estate agent. So let's see. There's no cost to the buyer to be represented in purchasing their home, and they're fully represented. That is a win. Now, not every realtor represents buyers in the same way or with the same level of service, and some realtors or brokerages do add in additional fees. Are you looking to purchase your home? We would be more than happy to meet with you through Zoom or face-to-face to share with you our buying process of how we take you from the very first home you see through negotiating your contracts and getting the keys to step in your front door. With you, your friends, and family, it will be an absolute pleasure assisting you in finding your next home.